Hi guys, this is Matthew again. Today is the 17th of January 2022, and this is our second strategy for today. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels for more upcoming updates and to watch all the strategies we release today. Here are the links again. We are going to paste all these links in the video description on YouTube. So this is a link to purchase our boats. This is the PIPSREAPER boat link. They are automated boats. This is the TOUCHSCALPER boats. The boat works on both deriv and binary.com interface. These are the links to order the boats. Here is the link to sign up for a free trading account. Once you click on this link, it will take you to the deriv page. Then you open a real account. Then after that, you click on the top left corner. Then you open the Mt5 account. Make sure you open the Mt5 for you to be able to access the server, the trading server right here. Because we are going to be trading right here. So once you click on it, you go to real account, then you add the synthetic indices. You click on add real account, not this one, not this one, the synthetic indices. That's what you open. This is the account you open. So once you open it, it's going to take you to this trading interface, as the Mt5 trading interface, the server right here. So we're going to be trading the step index sell by market. The first strategy is the buy by market strategy. So here are the links to subscribe to our channels. This is the link to sign up for a trading account, and this is the link to subscribe to the first channel. This is the link to subscribe to the second channel, and this is the link to subscribe to the third channel. Subscribe to our channels to watch all the updates we'll be dropping today and other upcoming updates. So let's get back to the trading. So here we'll make sure we close all this. Make sure the interface is clean. All you need to do is to right click and close whatever you see there. So then you go to the options. You make sure you unmark this. It will be marked by default as a one-click trading. Make sure you unmark it. So first of all, I'm going to be opening the chart window. So you go to the step index right here. You right click on it. Then you open the chart windows. Then you click on the M1 as the 1 minute. Then you click on the line chart right there. So once you click on the line chart, we're going to be drawing a line here for us to be able to see. It's going to be above this right here. It's going to be above it. So the buy by market one was below it for us to be able to see the movement of this thing in case if it hits the line. So we're going to be clicking on the sell by market button. Since our one-click trading is not marked, so make sure it's unmarked. Because if it's marked, once you click on sell by market, it's going to place the trade automatically. Because we are not going to be placing this trade automatically, we're going to be watching the movement of this thing. Once it's pushing up, I'm going to set my volume to 20. Once it's pushing right up towards the line, we click on sell by market. So we click on sell by market there because it's pushing up. Then our mouse, we are going to be clicking on close. Actually, we are not closing immediately. Once it's in profit right here, we're going to close the trade. So that's $20, $40, $60 to close the trade. So we made $60 there. So we're going to be watching it again. We're going to be watching this thing pushing right up. Once it's pushing right up, we click on this sell by market before we place the trade. Then we enter our volume. Then we'll watch this thing jumping right up. We're going to be clicking on sell by market once it's jumping right